Now to start import 3D object I need to save file to GLTF. In Blender I import GLTF file. It is super small, I need zoom in and scale up the object. Again I hold down Ctrl to lock the rotation. As you can see, metallic is also imported. Total there is 3 surface I need import image. I will link up base color, metallic, and alpha to alpha. It seems that the 2-door has same material ID, so I only need do one for 2-door. Next is the back U plate. Once I select material 14, the shader show a new project. As beforehand I tried out the value, I end up with 0.05 and 2. At this point I still can't see the image. I have to change to edit mode and select one of the material. Then I choose UV editor for bottom workspace. What I learned is to unwrap the selection some sort of 3D must. Now you can see the door has the image and you can see the difference next to it. Again select the material and do the same unwrap. To me I have to keep change between edit mode and view mode to select the material to get it work. Now I can import any object from Windows 3D Builder.